Okay, Shardul sir, you can start.
Okay. First of all, good morning to all. Myself, Shardul sir from Kulaba Municipal Upper Primary School, Kulaba. Minute, I share screen. Okay, students. Our running chapter is geometrical construction, and in last lecture, we will take a more information about the concurrence of the line segment and the concurrence of the angle. And now today we are going to learn about the concurrency of the circle. Here on the screen, you can see other 4 circles with the different radius or different sides. Here one activity is given for us. Observe the circles in the figure above and draw a similar circles of the radius 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1.3 centimeter on a paper, and cut out those circles or those circular discs and place them one upon the other to find out which one is coincide exactly. It means that at first we want to draw that all circles on a piece of the paper. First we want to draw a circle with a radius 1 centimeter, after that with a 2 centimeter radius, after that with a 1 centimeter radius, and after that 1.3 centimeter radius. When we complete this, we want to cut that all circles according to the drawing, and after place one circle on other and find out the exactly matching circle or same measurement, same circle. When we do that, we got 2 circles that diagram number A and diagram number C, that 2 circles are correctly matched cause the radius of that circles are same. Cause of that, we can say the circles with a equal radius are the congruent, or circles of equal radius are congruent circles. Congruent circles are a circle that are equal in terms of the radius, diameter, circumference, and the surface area, because they have a constant radius and no uh, differentiate sides, and orientation of the circle doesn't factor into the congruency. When we got a 2 congruent circles, at that time the every concept in that circle or every part of this circle, like a radius, like a diameter or surface area, that all concepts are equal in the congruent circles. Here on the screen 2 circles are shown as it is. 2 circles are congruent if they have a same size or same radius. The size can be measured as a radius, diameter, or the circumference. They can overlap. Another one activity is here. Find out the congruent circle in our surrounding. It means that the circular things in our surrounding are more things are present, like a cap of the bottles, dinner plates, like that. And we want to find out that a congruent circular things. It means the dinner plates are same. The circular portion or the circle of that thing is a same in measurement, that we can call a congruent circle. Let's start. We are going to see a little video on that.
We say that both the circles have a equal radius. Both the circles have a equal radius. So we say that this circle,
The diagram
figure
first,
A,
that is a 1 centimeter radius
in figure
circle,
number
and
C
diagram
are
third C is
congruent
a
circles.
third diagram with
What
a
is mean
1
by
centimeter
congruence of
radius,
circles?
that
When
both
two
circle are
circles
a
have
congruent
when
circle.
circles of
The
equal
circles
radius
of equal
are
radius
congruent
are the
circles.
congruent
When
circle. It
circles
means
of
that
equal
the radius
are
which
called
a
congruent
same
circles.
measurement, that circles are a congruent. Next, another one video is here for more understanding or deeply understanding of.
Now at last we see congruence of circles. Now observe this given
On the
figure.
screen, you
Circle
can
A
see
with
a
radius 2 centimeter. Circle B with radius
on the
4.5
screen you
centimeter.
can see a four circles of the different measurements. At first, that is a 1 centimeter radius circle. Second, 4.5 centimeter circle. Third one is 2.5 centimeter radius. And in a fourth diagram, the measurement of the radius is a 4.5 centimeter.
Circle C with radius 2.5 centimeter and circle D with radius 4.5 centimeter. Now here I made some circular discs with given radii. Radius of this circular disc is 4.
As our activity, the that the measurement circle, draw on the paper and cut that circle with that radius for the matching.
5 centimeter. Radius of this circular
That
disc
disc is
is
with
2
a 2
centimeter.
centimeter radius.
Radius of this circular
2.5
disc is
centimeters.
2.5 centimeter. And radius of this circular disc is
4.5
also
centimeter
4.5
radius
centimeter.
circle.
Now take any two circular discs and place one upon the other.
First, take a 4.5 centimeter disc and put the 2.5 centimeter disc on it. That is not
These
match the
are not exactly
perfectly.
coincide to each other. Then take another circular disc
Take
and
another
place
disc with a
on
2
the
centimeter
other.
radius
These are
that is
also
not
not
matched
exactly
properly,
coincide to each other.
and after that
Now
take
take
a
this
4.5
circular
centimeter
disc
disc
and
and place
place
one
one
upon
upon the
the
other.
other,
These are
and that two
exactly
discs are
coincide to
exactly
each
matched
other.
with each
That
other,
means these two
and cause of
circles
that we
are
can say
congruent
that a
circles.
congruent
So
circles,
here we say that circles of equal radii are
and cause
congruent
of that we can
circles.
say that the
So
circle
in
of
these figures,
equal radius
circle
are the
B
congruent
congruent to
circle.
circle D. It is written as
That
circle
how
B
can write this circle B congruent the circle
congruent
D. The name
circle
of the
D.
circle is read as the name of the uh, center point of that circles.
Now here we complete
Circle
our
D is
topic congruence
congruent with
of
circle
circles.
D.
Homework for this topic is to do activity on page number 10. Thank you.
Here one thing is a very important in this lecture, the how write the
Complete
congruent circles, or how use the sign of the congruence in that. The circle B congruent with a circle D. That thing is a very important in that. The circle B congruent with a
circle
circle
D.
D. The return of this statement is a very important thing, and that
Now here we complete our
with this point, the our first chapter geometrical construction is over. After that, we overcome or overlook the over chapter, full chapter of this. The in last lecture, we will learn about the congruence of the segment. The segment with a equal measurement or equal length, that segments are the congruent. As you seen on the screen, that two segments with a 5 centimeter distance or 5 centimeter length, that both segments are the congruent with each other, and use the sign of the congruent. As you seen in the last lecture, line AB congruent with a line CD. That symbol is used like that, as you seen on the screen. The second, we seen some examples like that. Find out the congruent segment, or now given segment is congruent or not. One segment is 4 centimeter here, and second one is a third centimeter, 3 centimeter, and the measurement of the segments are the different. Cause of that we can say that line segments are not congruent, and uncongruency is written here like that. Line AB and line CDE are not equal. Another one example is here. The line AB and line PQ are the congruent. The line measurement of the line AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and what is the length of the line PQ. The both lines are the congruent. Cause of that we can say easily the line AB is equal to line PQ. The measurement of the line AB is 5 centimeter, therefore the measurement of line PQ as is a 5 centimeter. After that, congruence of angle we seen in the last lecture. that is two angles are congruent if and only their measures are equal. When the we got a equal measurements angle, at that time we can say that angles are the congruent. As you seen on the screen, the first angle ABC is a 40 degree, and another one angle PQR, that is a 40 degree. The measurement of the angles are the same, but the distance or length of the arcs or arms of the angle are different, and the arcs of the or the arms of the angle ABC are the longer than arms of the angle PQR. The first arm of angle ABC is the AB, and another arc is a BC. That both are the longer than the arms of the angle PQR, that is a QP, and another one is a QR. When we put that two angles on each other, we can see here the arms are longer or shorter of that, but the measurement of the angle is same. Here we can see the measurement of angle ABC and measurement of angle PQR are the same, and with the help of that we can say the angle ABC and angle PQR are the congruent. In the congruency of the angle, the arms of the angle can't play any role, but the arms only indicate the direction of the angle, not the length of the angle. We can say that arms of the angle do not play any part or do not take any part in the congruency of that angles. And for more understanding, we take more examples of in last lecture, like that. Here the two diagrams are given. One angle is a 60 degree and another one is a 30 degree. When we put the two angles on each other, we can't match, we cannot match that two angles, and cause of that we can say easily that that two angles are not congruent. Here another example we taken in last lecture. The two angles, angle ABC and angle XYZ, are the congruent. The measurement of angle ABC is 65 degree, and they ask us a measurement of angle XYZ. That two angles are congruent as given in the question or given in the example, and cause of that the angle ABC and angle XYZ is a same distance, having a same distance or a same measurement, and therefore we can say the angle ABC is a 65 degree, as it is a measurement of angle XYZ as it is a 65 degree. At first in this chapter we learn about the angle bisector, the steps of making angle bisector, and the properties of angle bisector, how we can draw the angle bisector, what the properties of that bisector. As you seen on the screen, the definition of the angle bisector is, and a angle bisector is a line or the ray that divides an angle into the two congruent lines. As you seen in a diagram, the angle LKJ is present, and in that the angle KM is a angle bisector of this diagram. For constructing angle bisector, we want or we use the pencil, the compass, and the ruler. For drawing that, first we want to take a compass and put the metallic point of the compass on point or a vertex of the angle. That here the K is the vertex of the angle. Because of that, we put the metallic point of the compass on the K and make a small arcs on the arms of the that angle. After, we can use that same distance, put the first intersecting point of the arc or the first arm, that is and make a one arc in interior part of the angle. Don't change any distance in that, and repeat this process with the another intersecting point of the arc and arm of the angle, and draw another arc which is intersect the first arc which is drawn in the interior part of the angle. We get a intersecting point of the both arcs. Here name the that intersecting point, and after that, with the help of the scale or ruler, join the vertex of the angle and the intersecting point of the arms which are drawn on the interior part of the angle with the help of the compass. That is our angle bisector. Next, after that, we will learn about the perpendicular bisector, how we can draw a perpendicular bisector, what is the properties of the perpendicular bisector. As your screen, that is a diagram of the perpendicular bisector which is drawn on the line segment AB. The line CE is a perpendicular bisector is here, and the intersecting point O is a intersecting point of the line segment and the perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector makes a 90 degrees angle on the intersecting point of on the line segment. Here, that is a symbol of the 90 degrees angle or right angular triangle. And the most important property of the perpendicular bisector is that bisector divides line segment in two equal parts. It means, suppose the line AB is a 8 centimeter line. After drawing a perpendicular bisector on that line segment, that line segment divides into their two equal parts. That's are a 4 and 4 centimeter. मतलब 4 centimeters line segments are present here after drawing a perpendicular bisectors. Another one, at the time of the taking information about the perpendicular bisector, at that time we take a more information about the properties of the perpendicular bisector of the sides of the triangle. In the triangle, when we draw a perpendicular bisectors of the each side of the triangle, at that time we can see the three perpendicular bisectors of these three sides of that triangle are meet in a single point called as a circumcenter. It means when every side of the triangle, there are the three sides through the triangle, and when we draw a perpendicular bisector of the every side, at that time that three sides are meet in a single point in the interior of the triangle when the triangle is a acute angular triangle. And another one is another property of that, the distance of that circumcenter with the every vertex of the triangle is a same. It means when in any triangle we draw the perpendicular bisectors of the each side, that three perpendicular bisectors are meet on a single point, and when we count the measurement of the that circumcenter from the every vertex of that triangle, that we can see that circumcenter is a equal distance on the equal distance from the every vertex of the that triangle. Next point in that chapter, that is the construction of the triangle. The construction of the triangle having a four types, that is to construct the triangle when given a three a length of the three sides of that triangle. Another one, to construct the triangle given a two sides and the included angle by them. Third one, to construct the triangle given two angles and included by them, included by side included side by them. And last one, to construct a right angular triangle when given hypotenuse and one side. In first, to construct a triangle given the length of its three sides, for drawing that construction, the taking or first drawing a rough figure is a very important. After that, make a base, take a base is a way first for that construction. And after taking base, we take compass, take a distance of given that sides in that compass and making arcs in upper side or lower side of that. 1 minute, I show you. Here you can see the diagrams of the construction. That is the base is a 6 centimeter, line X Z is a 5 centimeter, and line Z Y is a 4 centimeter. At first, we want to draw the base of the line, base of the triangle, that is a 6 centimeter. We take here 6 centimeter line cause the longest side we take a base. After that, make a distance with a 5 centimeter in the compass with the help of the ruler. Take a metallic point on the point X and draw one arc on upper side of the first drawing side, draw the side or the base of the triangle. After make a 4 centimeter distance in a compass, put the metallic point on the point Y and draw a arm which is intersect the first third arc on the upper part. Name that intersecting point of the both arcs, that is a point Z, and join that both arcs. We get a diagram with our given distance. Like that. Another one is when draw the construction or through the construction. Draw or construct a triangle given two-sided and the angle included by them. For that, first we want to take base like first as it is and give the name to the that diagrams, write the measurement of that. After that, with the help of the protractor, make a angle, write the measurement of the angle. After that, for distance between the PR or distance of the length of the line PR, take that distance on the in the compass, put the metallic point on the point P and make one arc which is intersecting the first arm of the angle. After that, for getting point R, name that point and with the help of the ruler, join the point R and point Q. That is a very easy process. After third type of construction of triangle is to construct triangle given two angles and the included side. As it is, first we want to draw the base of the triangle, write the measurement of this. After the measurement of the two angles are given as it is with the help of the protractor, first draw the first angle and with the help of the protractor write the distance or the measurement of the that angle here. And another one, use the by using protractor, draw the another angle with the another side, and we get a intersecting points of the that two rays. Name that intersecting point, write the measurement of another angle, that is our triangle. That construction is to construct the triangle given two angles and the included side. And last type of that construct in the triangle construction is to construct the right angle triangle when given a hypotenuse and one side. In that triangle, we want to take base is a smaller side cause the measurement of angle, measurement of the hypotenuse is longer. Because of that, we take a base with a smaller side that we given in the question. After that, we want to draw a right angle with the help of the protractor. Put the protractor on the point, protractor's point on the point P and make a right angle on the point P. After that, make a distance of take a distance of hypotenuse which is given in the question in the compass, and put the metallic point of the compass on point Q, and make the arc which is a first arc of the first arm of the that triangle. The intersecting point of the arm and the arc which is drawn on that point, name that point, and after that join that point with the point Q with the help of the pencil and the ruler. That four construction we learn in that chapter, and after that construction we take more information about the congruency of this segment, and after congruency of the angle. After that, today we take more information about the congruence of the circle. In this way, the chapter in the mathematics, that is a geometrical constructions, the first chapter in that mathematics, our subject is complete here. Thank you so much. If you have any problem in this chapter, you can ask here. Hello everyone.
Student, any doubts, you can raise your hand. Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.